What's up YouTube? Back at it again with another YouTube video. Here we have a Nike Air VaporMax 2021 Flyknit in a triple black colorway. Now this is one of those new sneakers that comes in those boxes that are made from recycled material or whatever. I think it's aesthetically quite nice. Excuse me for the voice crack, but it's a nice shoe. I think the StockX price is a little low. Check out the affiliate marketing link in the description. Grab yourself a pair. I'm going to throw these on in just a second. Let me know what you think of them in the comment section below. I'll just grab the other pair and you can tell me what you think. Alright, it's time to finally put these on. Wow. Quite comfortable. A lot more comfortable than the previous generations of VaporMax. These 2021 Flyknits, they look great. They're underpriced on StockX and GOAT, in my opinion. You should definitely check out the affiliate marketing links in the description. Get yourself a pair. They're more comfortable than the Flyknit 3s in my opinion. More comfortable than the Flyknit 2s. More comfortable than OG VaporMax. It's more of a shoe, if I'm honest. The other ones really felt like you were wearing nothing and you were standing on top of this weird air unit. In terms of comfort, the VaporMax is not the most comfortable style, but these are probably the most comfortable VaporMax, if you know what I mean. If you like the way these jeans look with the sneakers, these are nudie jeans, and there's an affiliate marketing link in the description if you want to grab a pair for yourself. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Goodbye.